Hi, Kathryn Hills here, again from the EUPISD Lifespan program, and today we are going to be making a dried plum and apple salad. This is a very simple and versatile recipe. You'll see as we go along. You can change it to your liking. All right, so the first ingredient is 6 cups of either mixed greens, or you could use 1 head of lettuce chopped. I chose to use the mixed greens. So you could use whichever type of salad greens that you like. This is just a mixture of some spinach, some kale. I think there's a couple other different kinds in there. All right, so we're gonna get 6 cups into our big salad bowl. Greens are a great source of several different vitamins, including vitamin K. That is the vitamin that they have the most of. And that is really great for building strong bones and for helping your blood to clot. All right, so I think this is number 5 and 6. All right, so we have our 6 cups of greens in there. And then we have 1 cup of dried plums that I have already chopped. Dried plums are also known as prunes. Sometimes the kids in the class make faces when I say we're gonna try prunes. I personally love dried plums. They are a good source of potassium, actually. Helps your muscles not to cramp. And then we have 1 apple. I chose Honeycrisp. There are actually more than 2,500 different types of apples that are grown and sold in the United States. And Honeycrisp is one of the fall favorites, especially in Michigan. Apples have a variety of different antioxidants and vitamins as well, especially high in vitamin C. All right, and then we have 1 half cup of chopped red onion. If you don't care for red onion, you could leave it out, or if you like one of the other types of onions better, you could do that as well. All right, and then we have a half cup of walnuts or pecans, or as some people say, pecans. I chose to do the chopped pecans, and if you don't care for nuts, you could leave those out as well. We're just gonna sprinkle those right in there. And then right over the top, we are going to pour some raspberry vinaigrette. If you like a different type of vinaigrette better, you can use that as well. I personally love raspberry vinaigrette. Now this is my favorite way to make salads, and I think it is the easiest way as well. Find yourself a Tupperware salad bowl. Doesn't even have to be a bowl. It could be a rectangular Tupperware container. And then just shake. Right, and there we have our dried plum and apple salad. Again, as I said at the beginning, it can be really versatile. If you don't care for dried plums, you could put dried cherries or cranberries in there. Just a super easy, simple summer and fall salad. Hope you give it a try. Thanks.